welcome back to Routine Art Adventure. So, update, we stop, ma, 1 month na nag-stop. We stop building the store for a month, ma, less than a month, because for we will have to put roll up. The door is roll up. So we are starting now again. So we can have to start. So we can open. Ma'am, what sabi mo target open? 28 or 18? Hopefully 18.
Pwede po 18. Basta nila, basta na 8.
Yeah. So this month, surely this month, Mama will open her store. We stop because the budget stopped also. That's why. So now the budget is here. So let's start again. So mahay ma, how much is the pila is ko dani mong door for the roll up? 7.6 square meters. So how much? Supposed to be how much? 12,000. And then we less 1,000 na. So it's only 11,000 for 7.6 square meters. So the workers go home for their lunch. So mama gonna hang the stuff there, whatever she, and we will paint also the whole space the same color with our house, ivory. How much do you think your capital here? Diba? 50?
50, less 50.
50, less, more or less 50.
More or less 50.
Okay. So they're still working. Tabunan pa na pala. They're gonna go back tomorrow. Hi, baby. Papa is trying. Karon? Ang padlock pa? We'll go back tomorrow. He's practicing his roll-up door.